Hello, in this video we will discuss how to render a Angular project with server side in server side. In short, what we called Angular SSR, server side rendering. So firstly I want to discuss actually what is server side rendering and why it's needed. As we all know, Angular generally is a single page application, so whenever we run an Angular web application in web, it actually runs the index.html only, and the everything included in JavaScript and other files gets loaded. So here you can see there are example of one Angular project we have running. This is running in general serve. We haven't serving this with server side rendering. It's a simple Angular serve, and we have another option going here, which is server side rendering. So we will see the differences over here. In simple, if we just click, if we go to the view source of the particular page, you can see in general Angular what we get. We just get head, and in body we only can see the app root. Actually, in this tag, the whole HTML thing gets loaded. This is how Angular works. If we get into the element, we will see the same. You can see the app root and all data in this. We can refresh this and we will see the same thing again. You can see everything is under app root. So this is how a Angular project looks like, the view source without server side rendering. And now here we have an example of server side rendering, and we will see how that look. You can see in the body there is app root for sure, but the whole content has been there. So generally whenever we just simply publish a HTML pages, multiple HTML pages as a project in the web, we see the whole content of the page when we go to the view source. But in case of Angular we don't see that. But when we are serving a particular Angular project in server side rendering, we can see the exact HTML or everything in that. And just to let you know, the scripts will be same. There will be not much any sort of changes in the scripts. And I want to mention in just brief that why more is important. It might be a bit faster in loading because it's just loading a specific part of a file. And another thing is we need this for SEO, search engine optimization. We will detail the SEO in latter part in a different video, but hope you can imagine that in Angular, if we change the titles for each and every page, whenever we will see the view source, the title will be same. So our search engines won't be able to read different metas for different pages of our website. But in case of server side rendering, it won't happen. So this is a very important reason. Now I will just show you up to finish the video how to implement this in a project. Just to let you know, it has already been implemented in this project, but I will do this again. I think the command was ng-add ng-universal /x engine. This should be, and we need to also add info about the client project. What should be the name of your project? Let's see if it's work. Yeah, you can see it's already installed and the target name already exists. So just remember, this should be your code. Make sure you note that. Anyway, so how to run this? To run this, we have to build this project first in server-side rendering. To build, we have to run npm run then build :ssr. How this works, you can see whenever you are doing this in your package.json, automatically this terms has been added. Like these are two things we should be working on. First, we have to build npm run build. These are the commands it's running, and also then this. So let's see if that gets built properly. It will take few minutes of time. We need to wait to see that. We can see it's still working. It will take few more minutes. Right now, as I am not serving this, you will see this particular page won't work. This has been working for now, but if I refresh that, you can see the site can't be reached because the server is not live yet. Seems like it's near to be done. There are 3 steps. One is a simple build, then it will create the files for server sides, and then it will run the webpack thing. Now it's done, as you can see. And now if we just run npm serve ssr, sorry, npm run, now it should work. As you know, when we run this, we got things in console. So these are the console logs actually we have in the Angular project, so it's showing those. I think for some reason my browser is slow, so it's running a bit slow. Anyway, so you can see this is running, this is working fine. So this is how you can have a project rendered in server side. And to just verify again, you can see it's working fine. And if you have enough knowledge about Node, then you can run this code also. This thing will also work. Hope this makes sense. I will detail the search engine optimization thing with Angular SSR in another video, but for this video that's all. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know.